Hi, this is Paul here from GigaProfits, and today I'm going to be talking about why lead conversion pages are better than having a website. Okay, so number one, I'm going to talk about the difference between the two. Number one, a website, as we know, is a traditional website. It's got multiple pages and it's got kind of like a portfolio on your business, which is very important for your business to have. I mean, it gives an online presence, and the more you have online, the better, of course. And of course, this portrays your brand, which is great for linking to, engaging type of articles and stuff like that. However, when you're going to be using a lead conversion page, you're going to be focusing a lot more on the actual conversion. So the people that are visiting that site are going, your goal is to get them to put their information in, whether it be their name, email, right? Or their name, email, and phone number, or even some people even ask multiple other questions as well to pre-qualify them. Okay, then all this information is sent to you as a lead, and in our software, for example, it gets sent right into your software and it gets emailed to you, right? So this makes it convenient, is that when you put campaigns online, you're putting campaigns online and everything gets routed and sent back to you, right? That's important, okay? Because that's what you're going to use to measure your conversion data based on how much you spend on your ads and how much you spend on, your lead acquisition, right? How much does it cost for you to acquire a lead? How much does it cost to get a lead, okay, from what you spend online? Now, you don't have that data as much if, you could have it with your website, but it's a little harder to track because the traffic on a website is all like sporadic. Some could be from searches, some could be from referral, some could be, indexed by Google, and some could be from ads, referred from someone else. There's so many reasons, right? I can get into like probably 10 or 20 different reasons. But when you talk about, the conversion side with the landing page, then you're specifically talking about creating a lead conversion page for the purpose of gathering leads. Okay, so why does that matter? It matters because you have all the relevant content on that ad that actually explains, everything that you're going to be offering them in the service or product. Why that helps you is because that's going to help you to, convert the amount of clicks. So if you pay for 30 people to click on your website and maybe 20 of them make it to your website and maybe one of them becomes a lead, then you know that 1 out of 20 became a lead, because your website also was not even meant to convert for maybe a specific service or a specific product. Okay? So when you're doing lead conversions, you're specifically selling preferably one service, one product, and you're focusing on that, and then you're matching that to an advertising campaign, because you're spending money now. So you're matching that to an advertising campaign that you're targeting a certain audience that fits the criteria and the profile to become a lead or a customer, right? So at the end of the day, the lead is going to create a conversation, right? Like capturing the lead, which is a prospect. So you really want to utilize these conversion pages and this mentality to really think of people that are clicking on your website are not just clicks. It's not just people clicking. This is not like just a technical term. These are actual people that are looking at your content. So you really want to make sure is like, what videos, what are they consuming? What images are there? Try different images, right? And do the same with your website, because your website's already probably getting traffic. So why don't you want to leverage that? Why not? Keep it coming. Keep it all coming. But when it comes to, your conversion landing page, you want to be very specific, and you can test, right? The key with this is you can test. Maybe product A sells better than product B, and maybe product C just excels better than both of them, right? So this is a great way to test the audience that you're targeting on Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere online. And basically, another thing is like matching that audience to your service or product. That's the key. That's where you're going to really understand. And then you're going to discover opportunities to grow your business, right? Because you're saying, oh, I get 10 leads, in a week just for this, and and I'm able to sell 3 of them. I got a 30% conversion. The other 7 I'm still working on. This is valuable, because if you don't have leads, which are like little eggs that you want to hatch, you want to hibernate and hatch, not hibernate. You want to, have them hatch into sales, into little chickens, this is how it works, right? So you want that little lead, which is like an egg, and you want to handle it delicately, right? And convert that lead. So I hope this helps clarify. I went a little bit all over the place for everything, but the focus here in this video is about you basically using lead conversion pages, choosing one specific service or product, and thinking to yourself, what audience matches that service or product? And let me put this becomes a campaign, okay? So the conversion page, landing page, whatever you want to call it, that single page, and it may be, and it has to be mobile friendly, by the way, because the ads are 99% viewed on mobile apps, on mobile, okay? So let's be sure about that. It has to be mobile first. So you are okay having it scroll for a long time, infinite scroll. People are used to that. That's fine. But I'll get into this further in later videos. But we do have other videos on it. But I just want you to understand the power of using a conversion page versus just a static website, right? Okay. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. We're here for you. Your advice is not going to cost you. It's free. And we're here to help, and that's why we're online, okay? All right, take care. Have a great day.